The technician showed right on time. You know, when I made the call, everybody was so helpful and informative. It was really a great help. He was very professional, clean, had a nice uniform, and very, very informative. Told me things I never knew. I absolutely recommend the company. They were very reasonable with the price and very helpful. We didn't know what was the matter. You know, we flipped the switch, the air conditioning just wouldn't kick on. They rebuilt the compressor, I believe it was, and saved us some money.